Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Baramutse. Baramutse. Eh,
Mwamutse.
fine good.
Amakuru.
Good.
Umeze neza.
Meze neza.
Uraho.
Uraho neza.
Biragenda.
Ego.
Ibintu ni fresh. Wigende.
You have video today?
Yes.
Yeah, it's good. How's
Okay,
it?
where are you going now?
I am visiting.
We are going to such girl.
Try what?
What girl?
I know, I know. You see, you see, you see. Ego, ego.
Yambi. Yambi nandi. Yambi nandi. Guys, duhuye namwe n'umwana hano. Bose tugeze ibintu tuganira.
Baramutse. Baramutse. Eh,
Mwamutse. Hey guys, ini Essence TV show nk'ibisanzwe rero turi kumwe na Daniel agiye gusuhuza abantu bacu badukurikiye. Daniel, I heard a video today.
yes.
Yes, you know,
Me,
you want
yes.
to read in Kinyarwanda.
I asked you before.
Huh?
Me, I have big story.
You have a big story.
Yes.
Okay.
I want that big story. I have now that
Okay, now you share your big story.
story now.
Yeah.
That now I want that come in the social media
Oh,
in the Christmas.
Christmas.
Yeah,
Christmas days.
yeah.
Okay.
I want to ask all people you see you
Uh-huh.
and that story very very good.
Yeah.
All people like that story.
Yeah.
Me with you, I help all people here.
And share.
Yeah.
Uh,
Me, I have many people who country me.
yeah.
You have money. You have something that when you do many people here that refugee.
Yeah.
Me, I want to see that small that man small money, not money, not anything.
Mm.
Me with you and that story I help.
Okay. Okay.
Me with you I help.
No
One of the
problem.
people will help me with you
Yeah.
in the country me.
Okay, Daniel, how was your days?
This one.
Your day. Tomorrow.
Yeah.
You use a translate.
Yeah, I have.
Translate.
Yeah.
Use translate. You have a bundle.
Yeah, no problem. Right. No.
No.
Me, I am gotcha.
That's
Gotcha,
it.
gotcha.
That's it. That's
Yes, I want. I like me. I like. I like that in the language Kinyarwanda.
Rwanda.
Yes, me. I
That's
before
it. That's it.
before me I do that school.
Huh?
I want to study in that Kinyarwanda. Me, I don't understand that. That teacher. You tell me that one. You see?
Yeah.
Sorry. You tell me that one. Me, you know me. I want
Sure.
not
Sure.
to stop. Not to
Yeah.
stop. That time teacher to me.
That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
After I want you help me. I is that Kinyarwanda.
Rwanda.
Me Kinyarwanda.
And English. English is very, very good.
Me
Yes.
very good. Small. Not good.
Small.
And 30%.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Today I wanted to start to learn Kinyarwanda.
Kinyarwanda.
Very, very good for you.
Yeah. I want that.
Ku Gisenyi urahazi?
Gotcha, gotcha.
Yeah, sorry.
Gotcha,
Do you
gotcha.
know Gisenyi?
Yes, I know.
You know?
Yeah.
Uzi ku Gisenyi?
Gisenyi.
Uzi ku Gisenyi?
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Very well. Very good. Thank you for coming to me.
Okay, you friend, you know. You not friend, you brother.
Yes, I'm
Yes.
brother.
Me, I like you so much. I see you, you have that video, you have, I see that YouTube,
No
I
problem.
see TikTok. I want to see you big star.
Mm.
I want to see you big star after.
You give me your concert.
Yeah, okay, no problem.
You know?
Me,
Yes.
that big.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
See you back in the
See
camera.
you. See you. See you.
Okay,
See you.
welcome. After I come back to here, I think in the house.
In my
Me,
house.
I have now good with here.
You can.
Yeah,
You start now.
yeah, that's right.
Start now.
Yeah, I bring the something in the bathroom. So after I go in the Mahano.
I'm such meat. Very good. See you.